Back with this 2003. This was just a floor job. Back with this 2003. This was just a floor job. It did get new railings. These are from Fence For Pontoons, but it got the tan woven vinyl. Great product, easy to install. We've shown how to do that in other videos, and it goes well. They already had these ivory with beige and tan seats. We had to reconfigure a little bit, swap out a lean back for an armrest and get rid of an armrest, but it turned out to be a beautiful boat. It's got the stainless steel swim ladder. It's a heavy duty, 8.5 foot wide, great boat for renters because that's where this goes in a rental fleet. That's a wrap on this boat. We're gonna get it home.